Hello! So, ini na video, manlakaw kami to Cagayan de Oro. It's, I think this is a 3 days road trip to Cagayan de Oro City and Bukidnon. Okay, so ang nahitabo, niabot kami sa Cagayan at night. Tagpaagi kami ng GPS sa Claveria, and this was like 5-ish at night. It was raining and it was so foggy. It was really scary, but we made it anyway. So we slept in Cagayan, and then the next day we went to Bukidnon. So this is the video, and here we are. We're in Bukidnon. And then nanlaag kami sa Doli pineapple farm. Look at that, waves of pineapple. So it's amazing. Then we just drive wherever we reach. So, and niabot kami sa Dahilayan Farm also after this. Dahilayan Forest. It was beautiful, interesting. Bagyo kibali Bagyo. And then after our trip to Bukidnon, we decided to go back to Claveria, and this is the scenery at daytime. We made sure that we left early in the morning, that way we will see, because they said na guwapa daw ang view. So it is really beautiful. It's like Lake Tahoe in the Philippines. Very nice. So I suggest that you guys also should see this in Claveria. Thank you guys for watching, and salamat. Bye.